Hi, I wanted to go over some tips with using Acrobat or PDF, and then also just a short update on printing of the rubricated American Heritage Bible. And so for taking a look at PDF, just kind of some easy tips to be aware of with using PDF and or Acrobat. So here's the file. I opened the rubricated American Heritage Bible. If you right click on this space, the bar here, there are some settings that make it easier to use PDF or Acrobat. So under Show File Tools, there's Save and Print checked. I'm using Acrobat Pro, but the free version, I think it's Acrobat DC, will be similar. The only thing is it doesn't have the editing tools, I think, is what the difference is. And so then if you go down to Show Edit Tools, and this is where I have these editing tools, but you should still have this Find or accessible by Control F. But you can check that, and it will have it right here, the icon, the button, and then also Advanced Search. Check that one. It will put it on the bar right here, and you could do an Advanced Search. That's just a find through text, and then the Advanced Search opens up a window for advanced options. Also on this bar, if you right click again and go back to Show Page Navigation Tools, the easy ones to use are Previous Page and Next Page, the up and down arrows, check those, and also Page Number, check that, and you'll get these up and down options with page number options as well. You could type in the page there and go directly to the page you want to go to. Then also, again, right clicking and going to, let's see, down here, the Show Page Display Tools. There's two ways, best ways easiest ways to view PDF is by scrolling or having a single page view. This right here is a single page view, and with the scrolling option, let me go back here. So you have this icon, single page view, and the scrolling. Here's the scrolling, and here's the single page. And when you hit scroll, you can actually scroll through the pages. If you go single page, then when you scroll, it's going to jump right to the whole page, the next page, and so on. It just keeps going. Every time you scroll a notch, it will go to the next page. And then also, so those two top ones there are probably the most user friendly tools there for navigating through pages. Then under Show, Select, and Zoom, these three, the Loop tool and the Zoom to Page Level tool and the Fit Width. Fit Width is good for reading. The Zoom to Page Level will help you just kind of see the pages of the book. And then the Loop tool can bring you right into looking like with a magnifying glass. So for example, let's go to the Loop tool. And then I'll just put my cursor right here, and you'll see it brings up a little extra window to magnify, and I can move that, and I can also close that, and I could make it I can make it bigger right here, or smaller. zoom in and zoom out. That's the loop tool. And then also, let's see, what were the other ones there? Under zoom, zoom to page level, which is this one, shows the page icon, and then here's the single page icon. This is the zoom to page level, so this kind of zooms it in. But if you scroll, you'll zoom in and zoom out. So that's that tool. And yeah, so navigation, display tools, and zoom tools. Edit and file tools. These are all handy to make available here. Now these on the right side here, these are default ones. You may or may not have, depending on your version of Acrobat. And but these are the ones that by checking I added to this bar. And then this one also, the search or the find. And again, on the left side, there's the thumbnails as well as the bookmarks. And the bookmarks are important for jumping 2 pages by topic. So here's like the table of contents and the historical preface, the Old Testament. You can expand that and of course go to Proverbs and the likes. So like, let's say I'm here on this page and I wanted to read it. I can close that. And I would go to the fit to width. So here now it brings it out to where I can actually see the text. And let's say I wanted to see even more detail in this. I could pick my loop tool and put it right here and zoom in on any of these verses to see these verses. And there's a better view. And I'll be able to read those. Now, that pretty much covers those tools. And again, they are in View, and then you go to Tools, or the easier way is to actually right-click on the bar, and you have them all right here, all the tools available. So there's 2 ways you could do that. Just wanted to go over that. I should have gone over that in my last video. And then a little update, some follow-up thoughts on my publishing of the rubricated American Heritage Bible. It remains puzzling, and one can speculate why the Old Testament rubrication was redacted by publishers. The subject matter is clearly in a Christian context concerning Jesus or Yeshua. It seems like this information should be accessible to the casual reader. Why not publish this knowledge for Christians that could be easily accessible to all who read the Bible? This would be readily available knowledge has been stifled for much of Western Christianity for just over a century. The reach with printing the rubricated American Heritage Bible could be more significant if it were available via Amazon and Barnes & Noble outlets by way of print medium. I'm shooting for a 2-volume hardback and 1-volume paperback. Presently, the hardback's in progress. The latest on printing this Bible is that Volume 2 has been approved by the vendor, Lulu, but I am still working out some publishing kinks with Lulu on Volume 1. So I don't want to put out Volume 2 until Volume 1 is ready. So I want those to both go out at the same time, or be available at the same time. And so at present, this is a 1-person operation, so please contribute if you can. Many times work like this is accomplished through those who help with their last mite. Lord willing, until next time, God bless.